Hi, this is Will Hastings. I'm here with Steve Beamer from Element. Hi, Steve.
Hi, Will.
So, Steve, what have you been up to since leaving BP?
Since leaving BP, I went to work for Element, and I was a customer of Element for 3 years, and I liked what they were doing. I think it's something that's necessary for the digital transformation that's happening in industry, and I wanted to be a part of it and help others.
Great. So, how is Element helping ARC clients?
Element's helping ARC clients by helping them get their data organized and put context on data in the cloud, and to make data available for the applications we want to use as we go into this digital world.
Great. And how are we getting ARC customers started on their journey to be data-driven?
We try to meet customers where they are. So we have something called an Asset Framework Accelerator for Pi users, or just an accelerator for non-Pi users. But basically, we try to take a problem and solve it in a short period of time, 8 to 12 weeks, and get them up and running in something and leave them with the software for a year. It gives us a chance to work with them, help them solve a problem, demonstrate what we can do, and hopefully they like our software and they buy it.
And so, what happens after the AF Accelerator program?
After an AF Accelerator, we leave the customer with the software for a year, and we leave them with trained users so they can continue to develop and grow, and hopefully they like it and they'd like to extend the use of the software and continue to grow with us.
And can you talk a little bit about the value that you provide for your customer base?
Yeah, the value comes in several ways. The first thing is that when you build your context in Asset Hub, which is our product, that it's there, it persists. So you have data quality, you can reuse, so it's build it once, use it many times. And what we've done up to this point in time is we have connected data for specific use cases, and then somebody has to maintain that, and you have another use case come along, you make another connection. What Asset Hub does is when you've built that framework, you are connected and you can go faster on the next one and the next one. So it brings your time to value way down. It speeds the process of contextualizing your data for whatever your application can be, and it persists the data. So you see data integrity, and as things change, you get notified of that, so your data doesn't go stale or out of date.
Great. Thank you, Steve.
Thanks, Will.
I've been speaking with Steve Beamer from Element about asset analytics.